Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Mix and Mangle with Honey. I'm thrilled to have you all with me once again. In this podcast, we are diving into something that holds immense power, your dreams. Have you ever thought, I want to achieve something big, but where do I start? Or perhaps you have had a dream that felt too far out of reach, like it was meant for someone else but not for you. Well. Today's episode will remind you of something that Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam once said. You have to dream before your dreams can come true. Let that sink in for a moment. You have to dream before your dreams can come true. It's simple, right? But sometimes the simplest things carry the deepest truths. So often we think of dreams as something distant, something we hope will happen someday. We set limits on our dreams, thinking that we are not good enough, not ready enough, or not capable enough. We let fear and doubt keep us from even dreaming big. But here is the catch: dreaming is the first step, is the seed from which everything else grows. Think about it. What is it that excites you? Is it a career you have always wanted? A change you wish to see in the world, or something simple like traveling to a place you have never been? Before you can make any of these dreams a reality, you have to believe in them enough to dream them first. Dr. Kalam's message is clear: dreaming is the foundation. You can't build something if you don't first see it in your mind. If you don't dare to dream it, how can you ever expect it to come true? Take a moment right now and think about your dreams. What are they? Are you clear about them? Or have they gotten lost under all the doubts and distractions? Let me give you a simple example. Let's say you have always dreamed of running a marathon. Now, before you can actually race, you have to first imagine yourself doing it, right? You have to picture yourself crossing that finish line. Feel the sense of achievement, the excitement, and the pride. You have to dream of it, because without that vision, how will you know where to start? Once you have that dream in your mind, everything else becomes possible. You start preparing for the race, setting small goals, build your stamina, but it all begins with the simple act of dreaming. And that's what Dr. Kalam meant. Dreams are the spark that starts everything. They are not just wishful thoughts. They are the first step to making things happen. And you know what? Dreaming is fire. You don't need money, resources, or even approval from others. All you need is the courage to dream. Of course, dreaming alone is not enough. Dr. Kalam didn't stop there. He always emphasized that dreams must be followed by actions. After you have dreamed, you need to take that first step, even if it's small. Whether it's signing up for a race, starting that course, or just making a plan to achieve your goal, action is what turns dreams into reality. You see, dreams don't just happen. You have to create them. And once you have dreamed it, you work towards it every day, no matter how big or small the steps are. So, what's the lesson here? Dare to dream. Dream big, dream far, and dream with all your heart. Your dreams matter, and they are the first step to everything you want to achieve. Dr. Kalam's words were a call to action. Dreaming is not just about wishing, it's about believing that something can be achieved and then working to make it happen. And today, I challenge you to think about what you want to achieve. Dream it, believe in it, and then take that first step. Remember, you have to dream before your dreams can come true. Thank you for joining me on this episode, the Inner Strength Podcast. I hope you are leaving today with a little more confidence to dream and the courage to take action. Until next time, keep dreaming and keep moving towards your goals. Thank you, everyone.